Hello students, in continuation of the chapter specific gravity, here in this video I am going to give you a special case of how to find the volume of an iceberg which is floating on the water. Generally the ice is made up of water, but the density of water is more than density of ice, because while water going to solidified, the air bubbles or air pores are formed in between the water molecules in case of ice. Hence, the weight of ice is slightly less than the weight of the water. Hence, the density of ice is slightly less than the density of water. Hence, the ice floats above the water level. So, in such case, what is the calculation of finding the density or finding the volume of ice cube like that? In that regard, I am going to give you one simple example in this video. Here it is a problem asked: if an iceberg of seawater with 20 centimeter cube exposed, that means the above seawater, the iceberg floats with 20 meter cube exposed to the air. Specific gravity of ice and seawater are 0.918, that is of ice, and 1.03, that's of seawater. Calculate the total volume of iceberg. We have to find the total volume of iceberg. So let x be the total volume of iceberg. We don't know the total volume of iceberg. Let's take x be the total volume of iceberg. Volume of ice above water is given, that is 20 meter cube. We have to convert it into centimeter cube, because generally the densities are given gram per centimeter cube. Hence we should convert the water volume into centimeter cube. So 20 meter cube becomes 20 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. By Archimedes principle, volume of water displaced is equal to immersed volume of ice minus volume above water level. So total volume of ice divided by volume above sea level. Volume of water displaced is equal to total volume of ice minus volume above sea level. By subtracting the total volume with the volume appearing above the sea level, we will get the volume of immersed part, that is the volume of immersed part of ice. That volume is equal to volume of displaced water. If x is the total volume, then x minus 2 into 10 power 6 centimeter cube will become the volume of water displaced. When we know the volume of water displaced, that is x minus 20 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. If this much is the volume, then weight of water displaced equals, we can use the formula weight is equal to mass into volume. So weight of volume displaced is equal to volume into its density. We have the volume, that is x minus 20 into 10 power 6 centimeter cube. Density of water is given, that is 1.03 gram per centimeter cube. Gram cancels with the numerator and denominators, and the remaining is x minus 20 to 10 to the power of 6 into 1.03 gram. This is the weight of displaced water. By Archimedes principle, weight of displaced water is equal to weight of ice. It should be. That is the Archimedes principle definition. So weight of water displaced, we have find it out. X minus 20 into 10 power 6 gram equals x into 0.918. X is the volume of ice and its density multiplied with it gives the weight, and hence by simple mathematics we can get the total volume of ice as 184 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. 184 into 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. That means 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube we can convert into 184 meter cube. 84 meter cube. This is the total volume of the ice cube, and the remaining, out of this total volume, 20 meter cube float above the water and 164 meter cube is sink under the water. In this way we can find the volume of ice, or we can find the specific gravity of ice, or we can find the specific gravity of water of sea. Like that we can solve any of the questions asked. So in the next video I am going to give you how to find the volume or density of a wood floating on the water. So thank you, thanks for watching.